Shawty, show me how you ride.
Yo, what's up, guys? Look, if you know anything about me, then you know I love GTRs, okay? Dream car, it's freaking amazing. Recently, I cruised with my homie Chris, and he has a 2019 Nismo, and I got a lot of rollers, so I just want to put that together here for you so you guys can experience that, okay? Like, I love GTRs. Be sure to give him a follow on Instagram at GTR_done too. Of course, if you want to follow my car build on Instagram, then please do that at Sazagen. You can also support the channel by shopping TunerGodz merch, TunerGodz.com. Let's get into the video. So sweet. Come on, bro. Oh my goodness, look at this. That's gonna wrap it up for this little compilation. I really hope you guys do enjoy. Like I said, follow my boy Chris on Instagram at GTR_done. Follow my car build at Sazagen on IG too. And support the channel, man. Subscribe. Shop TunerGodz merch, yo. But like I said, peace, love, sleep, and grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one. Because of Saze. vlogs.
Baby, the way you throw it back, I be losing control. Baby, I see a future together, maybe I'll talk. Rumors crazy, they saying we won't make it to tomorrow. Baby, got your hair in my life. With you, I feel like